Hello everyone, this is Akanksha and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about different border disputes between India and China and the relation between both the countries. So let's start the video. Recently, you might have heard about various clashes and disputes taking place between both the countries along the border side. So, have you ever thought that what is the reason or the main cause, root cause of these disputes taking place in between both the countries? So, the answer to this question is the ill-defined borderline between India and China, which was formed after the Sino-Indian War of 1962, to which we call as LAC, Line of Actual Control. And you must know that LAC is just a concept and not an agreed upon border demarcation, just like LOC with Pakistan, which was formed during 1972. Now let's come to LAC. It is divided into three sectors: the eastern sector, middle sector, and the western sector. Now, western sector is the most volatile sector, which divides the Ladakh region of India and the Tibet and Xinjiang Autonomous Region of China. Here, troops clashes most of the times, and the reason of their clashes is the petrol points. And you'll be shocked to know that most of our petrol points is occupied by Chinese troops, and they claim that no, those points were there and India should move back. So now let's come to the middle sector. Middle sector is the least volatile sector, which divides Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh on the Indian side and the Tibet Autonomous Region on the Chinese side. Now, the third sector, which is the eastern sector, this sector divides Arunachal Pradesh on the Indian side and the Tibet Autonomous Region on the Chinese side. Here also China claimed that Arunachal Pradesh is illegally occupied by India. So now the recent major disputes which took place along the border side between both the countries is the Doklam region and the Galwan Valley clashes. First of all, let's talk about the Doklam region clashes. So this incident took place in 2017, which was catalyzed by the Chinese as they tried to construct a road in the Doklam region of Bhutan, where the Indian troops reached and assisted the Bhutanese allies and protected the Siliguri corridor. And you must know that Siliguri corridor is very important, strategically important for India, as this corridor connects Indian mainland to the northeastern states. Now, I think you must understand that why this corridor is important to India, and India should not leave this corridor in the hand of Chinese. Similarly, in 2020, Galwan Valley incident took place. This time, India tried to construct on the border side near the Leh border. They tried to construct a road or bridges, to which China reacted that India is breaking the rule and inciting the situation, to which Chinese may take steps to counter these situations, to handle these situations on their side, to which their action came in being after 9 months in January 2021, when the news outed that in Arunachal Pradesh region, Arunachal Pradesh region they are trying to build homes, and a satellite photo showed that 101 homes are built in the Arunachal Pradesh region on the Indian side. So these are the region of the clashes taking place in between both the countries. These are the disputes. But you must know that India-China relation have not historically been this much bad. Earlier, their relation was good. They practiced trade with each other. Even today, in spite of these border disputes and various clashes happening along the border side, they have tried to maintain a good relation on the economic things like trade, etc. And in 2008, China became the largest trading partner of India. Even today, it is the second largest trading partner of India. First one is US. So these are the things. That's all for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.